Hello, and welcome to another Luminous Flow tutorial. My name's Tim, and today I'll be guiding you through how to make a desktop interactor or observer build. To begin, ensure that your target build platform is Windows, Mac, and Linux. Then, in the Scenes in Build pane, make sure you've either got Player Desktop Interactor or Player Desktop Observer set as active and at the top of the list. This tells Unity that this scene should be loaded first. After this, you want to go to the Luminous tab at the top of the screen, click XR, and then scroll down to Set Desktop to Spectator or Set Desktop to Interactor, depending on which you would like to make. We're going to go Interactor for this video, however the process is identical. Once that's done, you need to go to Window, then Asset Management, Addressables, then Groups, which will open this panel over here. After which you'll need to click the Build drop-down, select New Build, and finally Default Build Script. This will start the process of building addressables, which can take quite a long time, depending on the size of any addressable assets and the power of your computer hardware. We're just going to skip ahead to after the addressables have finished. Now that those have finished building, we're ready to go back to our build settings and simply click the Build button. It's good practice to create a folder specifically to store your builds. This can be within the workspace itself, or it can be a folder elsewhere on your computer, depending on how you like to organize things. As you can see, I'm in a specific build folder on my computer here, and we're just going to make a new subfolder called Test Build Desktop 0.0.1 here for the actual build. Once this folder is selected, you can click the Build button and Unity will begin to construct the executable for you. Much like with addressables, this can be a lengthy process, but we'll skip ahead to after it's done. After Unity has finished creating the build, it opens the folder to show you. So we're just going to launch and make sure everything works correctly. As you can see, the build works, and we can move around the environment just fine. And that's how you create a desktop interactor or observer build. If you have any further questions, please check out our other videos or our online documentation.